Hello trader, welcome back to GBPCAD Forex. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button to get our weekly updates. Also don't forget to like, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment on the comment section. NZD-CAD. For NZD-CAD, you all know we've been focusing this down move. From this level, we said we're expecting a down move to reach this level here. Just as you can see, we got this impulse move this past week. So next week we're expecting a corrective structure here, then more down. So if you missed this setup from here or from here to the downside until this level here, wait. Do not just sell from this level all the way down. Wait for this corrective structure here and get a better entry with good risk to reward. So if this setup here can still correct all the way up until this level, you need to know how to find an entry from this level all the way to the downside. So for NZD-CAD, we are not taking any buy positions. We are not looking for any buy. Only what we are looking for is sell opportunities. That's for NZD-CAD. Euro GBP. For Euro GBP, you know we focused at this up move, we focused at this down move, and now we say that we're expecting an up move from this level all the way up. And as you can see, we got a sharp up here, then down, up, down. Then this past week we released an update. We say that this up move that was focused here is still valid, and we're still holding. From here to here was 200 pips. So this next week we're expecting a corrective structure here, then more up, or we could move. There's a chance that we could move sharp down, just like that. So if you're in Euro GBP, you need to take care of your trade because there's a structure that is formed against us here. So there's a likely chance it might push down all the way until this level. And also this setup has a higher chance also to continue up all the way until this level. So if you are still holding Euro GBP, make sure you shift your stop loss to break even, so that in case we get this, you are safe. And just in case we continue moving up, you are safe as well. You can take care of your profits. That's for Euro GBP. This is GBP USD. For GBP USD, this past weeks we focused at this up move, and we focused at this corrective structure here, this correction. And this past week we talked about this down move. We say that from here we'll be expecting a down move, and this down move is expected to reach this level. And we say that we won't be looking forward to trading the setup because it's a bit risky, but if you have a strategy to trade this, you can go for it. And as you can see, we move from here to here, which is 460 pips. So this next week we're looking forward to getting a corrective structure here, then continue until this level here. So for GBP USD, from this level we see that we'll be looking for our buy position from this level here all the way until this level here. So that's for GBP USD. Our bias is up. We are not looking for to trade in this down continuation to this level. Only we need this down move to confirm this buy for us here. So we'll be looking forward for this buy from here all the way until this level. If you'd like to join our inner circle, kindly send us a request email to get more details. Our email address is provided on the video description. This is GBPCHF. For GBPCHF, we said that from this level here, we'll be looking forward for a down move. And after we get this down move from this level here, we'll be looking forward for an up move. We say that we won't be trading this down move, but we need it to confirm this buy for us. So for GBPCHF, our bias is up. If you get an entry, if your strategy gives you a perfect entry to trade this up, you can go for it. There's also a chance that this setup can correct here, then continue down. That's why you need to be able to trade this. Your strategy should be able to give you an entry, and if your strategy does not confirm this buy to the upside, you should just let the setup here continue down. Then whenever it's completed, look for a buy. This is Euro USD. For Euro USD, we focused at this down move here, and we focused at this corrective structure here, and we see that after this correction here, we'll be looking for a down move to reach this level. So for Euro USD, from this level here, we'll be looking for our buy. We won't be trading this down move. All we want is for this down move to happen so that we can confirm our buy opportunity, because the buy is much bigger and it gives better risk to reward. So we will wait for our buy. Euro USD. So no sell for us, we only want buy. AUDJPY. If you remember, for AUDJPY, from here we focused at a down move to reach this level, but instead we got this sharp down, then sharp up, and then this past week we focused at a down move from here, this level, to the downside. AUDJPY has given this sharp impulse. Now it's correcting to the downside. So from this level, there might be a chance that we might move up to this level. one more time, one last up, then down. We'll be looking forward for a sell. Even if it continues up here, our bias is sell all the way to the downside. From this level, we'll be looking forward for a sell. Do not trade this up move because it's too small. It won't give you good risk to reward. Just wait for the sell opportunity. Euro NZD. For Euro NZD, this past week we say that we'll be looking for a buy opportunity. So as you can see here, this up move from this level all the way until this level is around 600 pips. So this next week, there's a chance we might get a corrective structure here, then continue up to this level here. So if you do not trade this move up, you can wait. The corrective structure might be a little bigger. Then if it reaches this level, we can look for our entry all the way to the upside. That's for Euro NZD. Euro JPY. For Euro JPY, we've been talking about a big up move. That's for Euro JPY. We've been talking about a big up move. So this next week, we're expecting to get a pullback to the downside here. Then from here, we'll be looking forward to taking a buy from this level all the way until this level. For Euro JPY, we're expecting a big up move. Even there's a chance that it might even break this high here. Up, all the way up, breaking this previous high. GBPCAD. For GBPCAD, we're looking for an up move. But before this up move, we need this down move here to complete until this level. So if we get this completion from here all the way down, we'll be looking forward for our buy. If we get our entry from this level, we'll be looking forward for our buy. We are not looking forward to trading this down move here because it's too small. We want to trade this bigger up move because it gives us better risk to reward. So for GBPCAD, our bias is up. There's also a chance that from here we might just push up like that. If we get our entry here, if we get our entry set up, we'll be trading this from here to the upside. Euro CAD. So for Euro CAD, we're expecting this down move here, then up. We won't be trading the down move, but we want to trade the up move. That's for Euro CAD. Our bias is up. We are not taking any sell. We are looking only for buy positions. There's also a chance that this might continue up just like that, but we want a buy from this level here. AUD USD. For AUD USD, this past few weeks we've been talking about this down move. From here we said we're expecting a down move from here all the way until this level here, and as you can see, we moved sharp down like that, then we're just moving like that. Then now we're getting this kind of structure. This next week there's a chance we might push up to this level, then sell from this level here all the way until this level. So if you are holding this sell from here, be careful with this one. We are likely to get this up move until this level, then we get a sell position. So for AUD USD, we're not looking forward to trading any buy. All we want is sell positions because the sell has more reward. AUD CAD. For AUD CAD, you all know our bias is down. Our bias is down. We're not looking forward to taking any buy position. Any buy position, we reject it. We're only looking for sell positions. That's for AUD CAD. Only sell positions. No buy for us. AUD NZD. For AUD NZD, from this level, we say that we're looking for an entry down. If we get an entry down from here, we'll be selling it. But we have not got any entry yet, so we just let it move like that. Anywhere from here, if it gives us an entry, we sell to the downside. For AUD NZD, we'll still be observing it, and if we get our confirmation, if our strategy gives us a good entry to sell, we'll be selling to the downside all the way until this level. But as for now, we'll just be ignoring it and waiting for a perfect entry. This is USD CAD. For USD CAD, as you can see here, we're expecting a down move. This down move is expected to move from here until this level, but we're not interested in selling this down move. We're interested in buying this because this setup here, from here up to this level, it gives us better risk to reward, so we will take it. But if we get good risk to reward, if we move until this area here, then from this level, if we get a good entry, we might sell to the downside. Depending on if we get a good entry, we can sell to the downside. But as for this one, overall bias is up, and the upside gives more reward than down. Even if this setup can continue up from this level, we're not looking forward to buying from this level because it's risky to be buying from this level. You better wait for it to reach this level, then buy from here all the way up. This is USD CHF. So for USD CHF, as you can see, we're waiting for this drop here, just this small drop here. After we get that drop, we'll be looking forward to buying all the way until this level here. We'll be looking forward to buying, so we won't be selling we won't be selling this, but we'll be looking for a buy only. And from here, we might just push up from here all the way until this level, or to break this previous high. It might even break this previous high, so we'll be waiting for this drop, then we'll be buying from this level. That's for USDCHF. Our bias is up. This is Euro AUD. For Euro AUD, we're expecting a drop here, a drop, and after this drop, we'll be expecting an up move. Do not sell this, wait for it, then look for a buy. That's for Euro AUD. Our overall movement, we're expecting an up move. This is GBPJPY. For GBPJPY, we've been expecting an up move, and as you can see, the up move has not come yet, so we'll still be waiting for an up move. Any sell to the downside, we will not be taking it. It can drop. Anything can happen in the forex market. Any pair can go any way it wants. It can go down or it can go up, but our expectation is an up move. That's why even if a down move will come, we will not trade it, because our bias is up. We're looking forward to taking this buy from here. If we get an entry opportunity, we'll be buying from this level all the way up. That's for GBPJPY. Overall bias up. NZD/USD. For NZD/USD, we've been talking about this down move. We say that we're expecting a down move, and if you are trading this down move, be careful, because anywhere around this area, we're expecting an up move here, and this up move, we'll be trading it. If we get our entry opportunity from this level here, we'll be trading it up all the way until this level. That's for NZD/USD. Overall bias is up. We're not looking forward to taking any sell beyond this level, because this up move is more likely to come from this level here all the way until this level. Gold. As for gold, we're expecting a down move. We're expecting a down move all the way until this level. That's for gold. Gold, there's a likely chance that it might continue from here. It might continue up. It might continue up to break all this previous high. Then eventually it'll fall all the way until this level here. So you can wait to get an entry, then trade it all the way until this level. That's for gold. US oil. For US oil, there's a chance that from here we might get a corrective structure, then up. So if you want to trade this up move, you can wait for this corrective structure to complete. If it comes, then you can trade up from here all the way until this level. That's for US oil.